What if I told you that the real difference between a struggling YouTube creator and a seven-figure media empire isn't luck? It's not even talent. It's a specific mindset and, well, a really powerful AI toolkit. Today, we're going to open up the playbook that really separates the hobbyists from the professional strategists. So let's just get right to it. I want you to ask yourself this. Are you a creator or are you a strategist? Because honestly, one path, it leads to inconsistent views and eventually total burnout. The other one, that one builds a predictable, scalable business. Let's really break down what that means. Just look at these two mindsets side by side. The creator, they hope for a hit video. They're grinding it out, operating on gut feelings and guesswork. But the strategist, oh no, they don't hope. They engineer virality. They build automated systems, and every single move they make is based on cold, hard data. It's not just a different approach, it's a completely different game. So where does a strategist even begin? Well, the first battle is always the same. You have to win the idea war. This is all about finding those viral topics, not just finding them first, but finding them smarter.
Here is the four-step formula. You use a tool like vidIQ, and you start with a broad topic. But here's the secret sauce, okay? You filter the results to show only small channels. You're hunting for one specific thing, an outlier video. A video that just exploded for a channel that's just like yours. Once you find it, you remix that title for your audience, and boom, you've just captured lightning in a bottle.
And let's be super clear about what outlier means. We're not talking about a video that did, twice as well as usual. We're talking about a 100x performer, a video that absolutely shattered that channel's average. This isn't just about finding a good idea, it's about finding a topic with validated, explosive potential. But listen, a viral idea is completely worthless if nobody clicks on it. And that brings us to part 2, mastering the algorithm. You have to package your idea so perfectly that YouTube has no choice but to show it to absolutely everyone. The team at vidIQ puts it best when they talk about their iconic video scorecard. They just say, YouTube feels naked without it. And trust me, once you see the data it gives you, you'll totally get why. It's like having X-ray vision for any video on the entire platform. This scorecard is basically a superpower. You can see real-time views per hour, you can track every single title change a competitor makes, but the absolute game changer is a thumbnail preview simulator. I mean, imagine seeing exactly how your video is going to look on the YouTube homepage before you even publish. You can perfect your packaging without risking a single view. It's incredible. Okay, so you've cracked the code for viral ideas. Your channel is finally growing. But then you hit this creator's paradox. The more successful you are, the less time you have. You just can't do it all yourself. It's time to build your AI production team. But how do you actually scale your operation without hiring like a dozen people? Well, the answer isn't more staff. It's smarter tools that act like staff. So your first hire is your new video editor, Descript. It's insane. It transcribes your video, and then you edit the footage just by deleting words in the text. You see an in the transcript, you delete the word, and it's gone from the video. Seriously, if you can use a word processor, you can now edit video at superhuman speed. Next, you need a voiceover artist. One that never sleeps, never gets sick. That's 11 Labs. It creates a flawless AI clone of your own voice, letting you generate studio-quality audio 24/7 without ever touching a microphone again. And finally, your graphic designer. That's Gamma. You can give it your jumbled, messy notes, and it instantly turns them into a polished, professional slide deck. Just think about that for a second. With these 3 tools, you've just automated your entire content production workflow. All right, now we get to the ultimate level up. You're not just a strategist for your own channel anymore, you're building a real business by turning these AI-powered skills into actual paying revenue streams. This is where the empire building really starts. That skill you just mastered with Descript, you can now sell that as a high-ticket video editing service on a monthly retainer. And your expertise with Gamma, you're now charging project fees to build killer sales decks for businesses. See, every AI tool you master isn't just a skill, it's a potential business. The investor Dan Martell absolutely nailed it. He said, the next wave of millionaires will be AI tool power users. The new economy isn't about who can build the AI, it's about who can wield it. It's about leveraging these tools to create massive value. And that is the opportunity that's staring you right in the face. So there it is, from creator to strategist to business owner. That's the path. You now have the playbook, you have the tools, and you have the mindset. So the only question left is, what will you build?